Hi everyone, this is Sonam here from EnglishWise Sydney City branch. Today we have got Yohara with us. She's our latest successful student and she has got her desired score to lodge her temporary residency in Australia. Congratulations Yohara, first of all. The thing is that when we met Yohara after she got her score, she actually wanted to share her experience with her own community. So that's why we are here doing this video, because she was equally willing to do this and she wants to pass this message across to all the Spanish aspirants of PTE. There is something that she wants to share from her good experience and from her not so good experience as well. So I think I'll give this opportunity to you, Yohara, so that you can guide everybody who is out there aiming for this test. So go ahead, please.
Sí. Bueno, a mí me gustaría recomendar este college para que prepararan el test. Me gustaría compartir mi experiencia. Yo preferí en el principio estudiar sola en mi casa comprando un curso online, y porque dije, bueno, puedo trabajar y puedo estudiar yo sola, pero me di cuenta que no, que había muchas cosas que yo quedaba, no sabía a quién preguntar, mis dudas. Y de repente llegué a este college y me di cuenta que hice el mock test y me di cuenta que no estaba preparada, y yo ya había vivido 2 años, 3 años acá, y me di cuenta que no, que necesitaba ayuda profesional. Entonces los profesores son muy buenos, me gustaría recomendarlo para todas las personas que están aquí, que hablan español y quieren sacar un buen puntaje, porque los profesores tienen técnicas, te enseñan de muy buena forma, tienen muy buenos conocimientos, y de seguro para la persona que quiere sacar un buen score va a ser más fácil gastar este tiempo y venir para acá a este college, que estar en su casa y con 1000 dudas que nadie les va a poder resolver, y se van a demorar mucho más. O sea, van a lograr un buen score en un más corto plazo. Y bueno, yo quería eso, compartirlo y sugerir que vengan para acá y que conversen con los profesores para que vean cómo es.
Thank you so much, Yohara. So before like we were doing this video, Yohara also explained me everything in English as well, and I think the main point she was saying that she was going to make is that it is very important to get feedback. It is very important to know your mistakes. She has done this online course which she joined, but then she feels coming to the institute has helped her a lot. Am I right, Yohara?
Yes,
yeah,
true.
Yeah, and then she feels encouragement is very important.
Very important.
Very important. So motivation is very important, and she got to learn more about how to speak, accent, pronunciation, and everything. So guys, look, don't feel demotivated if you have any unsuccessful scorecard, because you have not been guided properly so far. That's all it is. So come and meet us and we'll help you as much as we can. Thank you so much for connecting with us. Thanks, Yohara.
Thank you.
Thank you.